Hello, here at Griffin, we are always trying to improve our product. And right now, we are announcing the launch of our beta testing of YouTube history. This is super exciting for us, and I want to explain exactly how it works because it is a little more complicated than just setting up your router because the Griffin is a Wi-Fi device. So it can't really determine what videos are actually watched just based on the Wi-Fi traffic. So what it needs is something on the individual devices in order to really track that YouTube history. So you have to install something on the device itself in order to get those reports. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what it looks like in the app and then how to install these certificates on a couple individual devices. As you can see, the YouTube history will be located just right next to the web browsing history under the user's profile. You can go ahead and scroll through the list and tap on any of the videos if you want to look at the video and see exactly what it shows. A couple of common questions we have with this YouTube history is, one, can I block any of these videos or block any channels? At the moment, that is not possible. You can only view the history of what YouTube videos have been watched. The other question that we've been getting is, will it track YouTube Kids or embedded videos in websites? As long as the video is being broadcast from YouTube, so say I have a website and I've embedded a video from YouTube into my website, it will track the view of that YouTube video. But if the video is from like Vimeo or any other platform, it's not going to track that. So it has to be generated from YouTube in order to be tracked. And yes, the YouTube history will also include any YouTube Kids views. So if you have YouTube Kids installed on your device, it will also track those views as well. So let's show you exactly how to install this certificate on an iPhone. The first thing you want to do on the iPhone is open up Safari. Once you are there, go ahead and type in griffincare.com. If you are on the Wi-Fi, it should pull up this page where it says Welcome to Griffin Care. Go ahead and tap About this device and make sure the device is assigned to the user profile that you want and it is on the appropriate filter level. Scroll down here until you see this CA download and instructions. You can tap here to download the certificate and allow it to be downloaded. Then you can tap here for the more detailed instructions on how to install the certificate. You can go to this iPhone section in order to read through exactly how to install the certificate. Then open up the Settings app. Go to General and scroll down till you see VPN and Device Management. The certificate should be downloaded. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap Install. It's going to require you to enter your passcode. And then go ahead and tap Install one more time and install another. Now that it's installed, go back to this General section in your settings and go to About. Scroll all the way down until Certificate Trust Settings. Tap on that and toggle it on for the Griffin Connect. Once the certificate is installed on the iPhone, go ahead and go to the user's profile that it is associated with and find the device. Scroll down here to YouTube history and make sure that the tracking is enabled. You may also need to make sure the tracking is enabled on the settings for the user down here. Now that the tracking is enabled, you can go to this YouTube history, and I can pull up a video here. And as it plays, there it goes. For a Windows device, it is a similar process, but installing the certificate is a little bit more complicated. So you would also go to griffincare.com and then tap About this device. You can download the certificate and then click here for instructions. And select Windows. Type in Manage Computer Certificates in the search bar. And go to Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Go to Action, All Tasks, Import. Hit Next. Find the certificate that you've just downloaded. If you can't see it right away, you may need to change this to all files. Hit Open, Next. Place the certificate in the following store. This is the one you want. Hit Next and hit Finish. And that's it. For an Android device, you don't need to actually install a certificate. There is an app that you can download from the Google Play Store called Griffin Companion. So go ahead and download that app and then tap on it. And it will ask you to activate the device admin. So go ahead and activate that. To make sure the device admin app is activated, go ahead and go to the settings and type in admin. Go to the device admin apps and tap on device admin apps. See Griffin Companion, it has a toggle next to it. Now go ahead and open up the Griffin Companion and begin installation. It's going to produce a code. So in your Griffin app, go to Settings and then Griffin Companion. You will type that same code in here. It's going to ask you about battery usage. And then it's also going to open these accessibility settings. Make sure that the Griffin Companion is enabled. Go back to the Griffin Companion, and it should have information about this device. And if we go to this user profile and find the note, this is the right device based on Mac ID. And you can see the Griffin Companion app is enabled. As you may have noticed from the installation instruction screen, there are several other devices that can have that certificate installed. If you have one of those other devices, go ahead and tap on that and follow the instructions available for that device. Again, you can access this instruction page by going to griffincare.com, tapping About this device, and then tapping on the CA download and instructions. We hope that you are really excited about this new YouTube history feature. I know I am very excited about it. If you have any questions on how to get it installed or how to get access to this beta, go ahead and send us an email at support@griffinconnect.com. Go ahead and open a chat at griffinconnect.com or give us a call on our support number. You can always find our contact information in the Griffin app under Settings, and then all the way near the bottom, Contact Support. Our phone number, chat, link, and a direct way to email in a ticket are all located there. Please let us know if you have any questions or issues getting this set up. Thank you.